What's going on, y'all? My name is Xavier Williams, man. And I'm going to start this first segment with having a financial IQ versus having money. Which one is more important? Think about it. If you got money and not know how to spend it, what good is money? And if you have a financial IQ without money, how can you find a vehicle to make your money move? How can you multiply it if you have no money? But it's honestly smarter to have a financial IQ because you know what to do with your money. Say if you do work a 9 to 5, you know how to put that money aside and multiply it. But you gotta think about it. Society makes us think that working 9 to 5 is the key to success and to making money, when in reality it is not the key to making money. I understand if you got a plan to make money and multiply that because you have financial IQ. You're trying to use the money, the leverage of having a job to multiply that money to make you more money, to reinvest in new ideas or new businesses. Like, that's smart. That's a smart way to go. But you gotta think about it. Society makes us think that having a college degree is the key to making money or making more money, when it's really not. How many people you know with a college degree and work at Target, Walmart, or Costco's? Like, it's so many of them. Like, they making just about minimum wage, like, at those places. And if they had a financial IQ, they know that they could have reinvested their ideas into another idea than working that 9 to 5 just to work it, just to make money. If you're working a 9 to 5, use that as leverage to build your own business, to build your own ideas, to multiply your money. Have a financial IQ and be woke. Stay woke, man, because they always make us think that having a college degree is the key. Like, you got to think about it. In business management, they make us think that working for somebody else is okay. In accounting, they make us look at financial statements from different organizations that you don't own, that you're working for. So just be smart, be financially aware, and have a financial IQ to be able to multiply your ideas and multiply people in your circle that benefit you and help you expand your knowledge on finances and to continue to grow, man. Just continue to create ideas and have money and a financial IQ so you're aware and awoke. Read these books. These are very important books to read to increase your financial IQ. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Number 2 is what is that book called? The Business of the 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki. And also number 3 is Rich Dad Poor Dad by the same author, Robert Kiyosaki. So read those 3 books, and those are important books to increase your financial IQ. And it's better to have financial IQ versus just having money. Because if you have money, your money's going to be gone within a day, a week, or a month if you don't know how to use it. So, or multiply it. So you guys have a blessed day. Continue to stay awoke, and continue to flex to success. Y'all have a blessed day.